So this is me heat molding my Burton Intuition liners. So I have this Hot Air Rework soldering gun, and I have it hanging on a wood clamp, and I have a temperature sensor dropped all the way to the bottom of my shoe. Manual says it should be around 100 degrees, so I'm just checking that the probe kinda like at the bottom where my heel is, and manual says it should be around 100 degrees Celsius to start the heat molding process. So when it reaches the temperature, I will let it sit at this temperature for a few minutes. Okay, and I'm gonna put my socks on, and on my toes I'm gonna put those neoprene things to complete the heat molding process when I put my feet in. Thanks for watching.